How are you?
I'm here today in Bغلان, one of the three provinces impacted most by the recent floods. 60,000 people have been impacted, 182 fatalities so far, the vast majority of them children and women. After years of drought, Afghanistan yet again has faced a climate shock in this flood. The UN has deployed joint assessment teams together in a coordinated manner and have assessed vast areas of three provinces, Bغلان, Badakhshan and Takhar, and almost 15,000 individuals have been so far supported, and supplies are coming in together with partners to reach out to more affected individuals. Lastly, I would like to underscore the importance of the UN coming together in its joint-up approaches, articulating the needs for the international community to step up and support in this crisis. The international community and the UN should try to see how best Afghanistan can be supported in climate adaptation, mitigation and building the resilience of communities devastated by climate impact.